some trip or whatever, study abroad. Dude, I'm so
Oh
jealous.
yeah,
It's so sick.
yeah. Studying abroad is fire. Typically, you don't see Americans that go study abroad in Europe. It's usually the other way around.
Mhm.
hmm I'm hoping today is just clean and easy, and then we can start
Yeah.
working on some ideas and shit.
I really want hopefully today to just be easy. Nice clean trade. Tomorrow CPI. Let me set
Yeah,
myself up.
I
Definitely
might
gonna
buy
be
some 1 day pass accounts. I'm not sure yet though. I'll see.
I'm definitely gonna be live streaming it. So if you guys wanna watch me full port my Top Step Exaphase tomorrow on CPI, come join
Max
anyways.
leverage CPI full port.
Yeah.
Honestly, if structure cleans up I won't say it should be easy to read, but I've noticed like so many times where CPI disrespects current structure. Like we'll just wick hard into like some kind of PD array and then it respects it, but it's just really fast.
Yeah, it's hard honestly.
Yeah. But I guarantee on like live account, I bet getting filled on like CPI is impossible damn near. Or if
Yeah,
you do, it's like the craziest slip.
they also raise the margin requirements like five
Uh
times. Yeah, so it's they don't even let you do it either.
unless you're just willing to put up that kind of margin.
Yeah, I mean for one mini contract that costs $23,000 to $24,000, whatever. Oh no, it's at $25,000 now. So, five times leverage, 125 grand for one mini is crazy.
So how is like with Tradeovate and like AMP, like how are they able to do like isn't it like a 1,000 per mini or
Uh, so every broker's different. Amp is the
yeah.
best in the industry. I believe it's
uh
$30 a micro, and then $200 to $300 a mini.
that's actually fire.
Yeah, so it's sick.
AB deposited like I think started a 25K Tradeovate live.
Oh wow.
And Abao has a live. He did like 5.5K in Asia on his live account.
Jeez.
That is insane.
When I had a live account, it was honestly amazing. I
Yeah,
definitely
it's
want to
gotta be
go.
fire.
Yeah, it really is great.
I really should just start one with like 5K at some point, but it just kind of like becomes pointless when you can have way more leverage on a firm.
No, that's my philosophy as well.
I feel like 25K, like what AB did, is like solid because it's like if you have like five 150Ks, it's essentially like all the drawdown, a little bit more than like five 150s.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, yeah. It's
Yeah.
I
But
think
most people
honestly,
just trade them alongside like their props anyway.
yeah, they just make them like a follower account.
Yeah, and then they like change the ratio up. People have been having trouble with those third parties, and I think it's because like a lot more people are starting to use it now. I feel like the APIs can't like handle all that traffic.
I agree. It's kind of crazy. A lot of people are saying that they're not using it anymore.
Yeah, that's how Johnny said that. It's like I think not enough people are using it, so it used to run smooth. Because I noticed like Tradecopia is putting out an update almost like every day now.
Oh really?
And, like there's always some kind of like tiny little bug of some sort,
I
which is
have
like expected. Like it's a third party, so it's like
I haven't used it in a minute now.
yeah, I mean you're trying to spend top stuff. Even like TradeSyncer, like I've had a few people message me because like I was on Tradecopia and they asked if Tradecopia was better, but I heard TradeSyncer was better for a little while, so I don't know.
I heard I heard that TradeSyncer was good when it first came out, but then PB was using it and
Uh,
then he blew like all of his accounts that he connected. Like if they
mm,
fucked up and like they blew all of his accounts. So then kind of everyone stopped using them and then went to Tradecopia, and I thought Tradecopia was good, but if it's still having bugs, that's crazy.
like it's solid. I mean, it's a third party copier, so it's like to execute through multiple different firms. I can see how that would be like difficult, but
Yeah.
I feel like there's definitely a way to make a much smoother copier. I mean, it's essentially like taking whatever TopStep did with Project X and like being able to get it stable enough to hold that much traffic.
Yeah. I don't know how they're doing it.
But they also might just have a smaller dev team as well.
That's true, yeah.
ES looks strong here compared to MQ. That 15 minute is probably the best condition in this like range right now.
Yeah.
I thought about this the other day too. Like, you see how Asia high is in like an internal or like a swing high.
Hmm.
So like, even though it's a session high, like I've realized that the market a lot of times won't even go towards the session high because it's not really like a prominent high in the market. There's not truly like any kind of orders there.
You mean like at Asia High itself?
Yeah, so like Asia high, that like 8 p.m. candle, you see how it's just like in the middle of the range.
Hmm. Yeah.
But then you have like London low that's like actually a low.
Yeah.
So like I've like realized the market will typically like not go for like the Asia high, for example, which since it's just in the middle of the range, like it's not really a true high. It's just
Oh,
like
I
the
see.
high that the session made.
Yeah.
But then
Yeah.
like London actually made like an external low,
See,
and like there's actually orders there.
I think it's like that because Asia opened up in the middle of us dumping, and like
Yeah,
just
but
like
there's not gonna be stop orders above
yeah,
that Asia high.
yeah.
If anything, they're gonna be where previous day highs are like the 6 p.m. high.
Hmm.
Then like vice versa, like London is where all the buy stops are. Yeah, I do want to see lower. ES look nice to the downside there. That's the other thing too. We need to get like correlated. Like ES has been just doing complete opposite of NQ for the last like, week and a half. YM's doing. Wait, did YM take out London low?
Yeah, it did.
Or I guess London never like stopped trending lower technically for YM. Yeah, so YM basically has no London low. That's fine. I think if this weakness holds, I do like short.
Hmm.
30. He has like a small 30-minute gap. I don't really look at the 30 much, but that's like the highest time frame gap we have. Besides like a 90-minute, but I know most people don't use like the quarterly time frames.
Yeah.
We do have internal SMT.
Yeah, we did just sweep that out.
Yeah. Let's mark it up. Look at that 15-minute gap tab like around 9:30 that we had.
Let me see. Yeah, wow, that's beautiful. Dude, go on the 15-minute, draw out last night at like 3 or on Friday at 3 p.m. That
That is.
candle, the candle that's like downward at 3 p.m. draw that. I'm sorry, the opening price of the upwards candle. So it'd be the
So the 3 p.m. like opening price.
yeah, 3 p.m. opening price, draw that to the right, and then
Uh,
look at the 1 minute at 6 o'clock. Come and tap the first 15 minutes CISD literally perfectly and reject.
shit. Holy wick too. Like it was like an AMD honestly too.
Yeah.
Like a slight 1 minute AMD. That's actually insane. Wow. Also, if you take, I wonder if you take like the fib of that, like that 1 minute range, that current range, it would end up wicking equilibrium, and then equilibrium lined up perfectly with that CISD, like actually like on top of the line.
Wow.
That's insane. That is actually crazy. ES is already wanting to discorrelate itself.
Yeah, YM's already bull running. So.
Yeah, just people. Typical. gold been looking like? I heard silver fucking ran.
Yeah, I was in calls last week and then I sold them. I got my paper handed.
Commodities aren't even like supposed to be moving like this, so it's like it's just like odd. Like I feel like it's just easy to get caught in the whipsaw.
100%, yeah. But then there's also the other side where if there's massive volatility, you want to try and take advantage of
Yeah,
it. Yeah.
for sure. Yeah, it's just fried because I feel like people are like treating commodities different. Like every time we get like those spikes up, we get a huge sell off, and I feel like those are just take profits. Like it just seems like the take profits are just more significant there with
Mhm.
this volatility.
Mhm.
But it definitely is moving clean. Like you can literally just take like 15-minute retraces on silver, and it's hitting.
Honestly, I've said it from the beginning. I like trading gold. It's clean, honestly.
Yeah, I used to slam gold. I've
Yeah.
tried trading it a couple of times, but I just like every time I trade it, I just don't care to because it's like not what I trade usually. But it
Crazy
moves.
crazy enough, my biggest trades and my best trades are all from gold actually.
It does have clean structure. It's not as like manipulative as a thing.
Yeah. The manipulation I feel like is way more obvious on there. Like NQ gets
Yeah.
manipulated so much, but on
hmm
gold it's more easy to recognize it.
You can almost predict like manipulation on gold.
I think my camber plate's coming this week. I'm so excited.
Oh yeah. W Fitment. I know the 90-minute isn't like the ideal time frame to look at, but when you look at the 90-minute, like what do you think?
Hold on, let me pull it up. I have to add a new interval. 90-minute. Oh wow. I don't know what I'm even looking at. I mean, I just see the SMT. That's poking its head out, obvious to me.
Yeah, like
Long-term
just like I see
PVR.
like the gap SMT and then like CISD and then you have the SMT at the low. I
Oh
just hate
yeah.
how non-aligned the 4 hour is down like to these lower time frames.
Yeah. All right. Let's see.
They're just watching ES. I feel like if we want NQ to go lower, we need ES to go lower with it because we just been seeing like NQ try to go lower and then ES like making it just stagnate because it'll rip instead.
Yeah. No, 100%.
I want to see both of them fall.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, what's happening with Iran?
I don't even know what's happening.
They said that Iran's currency has collapsed, and now one Iranian like rial is worth €0.
What?
I don't know what they got going on. Huh? Interesting. I don't know. I kept seeing like tweets of them getting mentioned and stuff, but I wasn't too sure of like what was happening. That's odd. Their currency literally is worth zero, basically.
Oh, wow, that's crazy. Just
It's just paper.
just keep printing money.
Yeah, basically.
It's gonna happen to us eventually.
Yeah, I mean, it's like slowly already happening.
Yep.
Everything they can to try and keep it afloat. The dollar's been crashing like all 2025 and even going into this year, still going down. But I guess apparently, if the dollar is collapsing, it's good for commodities and crypto, so which makes sense.
Yeah. I am kind of liking
Okay.
shorts here.
Yeah, I do like the start of this year as well.
Very disappointed with
Ideally, we should be able to see like ES come below that internal low and get rid of that SMT, and then like finally see that 15-minute gap get flushed, and then ideally look for shorts to London.
He's so dumb. That's crazy. See?
We're back inside that 5 minute you mentioned on MQ earlier.
Mm-hmm. I like this. 5 minutes, yeah, stay closed. We have SMTs at the highs.
I don't have him.
Yep.
Internal and external.
We also retest the CISD there too.
Yep, a lot of low resistance liquidity right here.
Oh,
Obvious strong liquidity.
I think we also just got rid of that internal SMT. At least at their recent low.
Yeah, the recent one, yeah.
Solid then. Which means that the bearish SMT up top is validated.
Holding, yeah. Oh. I'm not entering yet. I wanna.
No, I'm not doing anything. Yeah, just waiting on this here.
I'm gonna wait for the market open.
Yeah. I do want to I want to note the EQ like equilibrium of this like range from London to the high.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Just that way I can like see if we react there or if we just continue weak.
Yep.
That level is at 697.
Well, Malmin with the shot, the two reds on with the red next to the black is the push onto the side cushion all day long. I mean, it's a strange one. I mean, Mark put it back in, he didn't bank it, Mark Williams put it back in. But the shot is so basic.
We technically have another SMT here at the lows.
Yeah, with like the other ones, right? With the other.
Yeah, like just I guess like these like range lows, low time frame range.
Yeah.
See.
This could also just be a sweep inside this fair value gap,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
We gotta see how this plays out.
Right.
This could very well just be a sweep.
Yeah.
That Asia high is an hourly gap fill inside the 4 hour, which I mean would just be extra confluence for short. But like I do ideally want to be short into London. But if we like open here and just are starting to like trend higher into that like Asia high, then we'll see.
Wow.
Yes, would also have to invalidate that SMT at London as well. If I would want to think of higher. Here's the open.
Holy.
Sheesh. Straight to Asia. What the?
I took a small jab off that. Of
That
just
was valid.
the 1 minute candle.
Yeah.
Honestly, if I was looking at the 1 minute, I probably would have jabbed that too. That was nice. Sweeping out those lows. See here. Got Asia at 797.
I got a terrible fill though.
Just because of that opening volatility.
Yeah. I was off by like half a second, and
I hate when that happens too, because like that happens way too much where the next candle literally just
spiked.
instantly just runs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go up here.
You got filled at 759.
Honestly, not terrible, Phil. Asia's coming.
Hey.
First Asia.
Nice.
We have SMT there now. So yeah, now it's like if I'm gonna long, I have to wait until we're all the way up close into the 900s at this point for the actual like draws higher.
Okay. Yeah.
We have an hourly gap at like 902 higher up, and then we're inside of this like hourly gap that we didn't fill earlier. You look strong as shit though.
Yeah, we do. Wow.
I mean, shit, I'm down to long in a previous day high, and
I am too. Just give me a good entry.
931 would be like the NWOG fill for this week. It's like a smaller NWOG.
Okay. Good shot. Wow. YM took out where London low would be.
So we have SMT down there.
Yeah.
So I guess ideally, it's smart here to just try and frame long at this point. I mean, this open is crazy. Look how we've bought up 120 points already.
Yeah. Wow.
4 hours getting bought through pretty hard. We're at CE of it right now. I'm gonna mark out that 930 1 minute gap there.
We're inside this 4-hour IFG, BPR, whatever you
Yeah.
want to call it.
And we're also inside of a 15 hourly. So I mean, this could be an area where we start to see a reaction, but not pre-firing or anything.
No. Let's see.
Let's see how these 1 minute gaps react. Retest. We did invalidate the SMT at Asia high, so we're correlated for now.
Yep.
We're gonna make a very big 2 minute gap.
Wow, YM's dumping.
Eesh. Jesus Christ.
Wow.
Well, I mean, every day. It's literally every day. If you just take the 930 candle and just hold the direction that it went, it's actually insane.
Yeah, it's actually nuts.
But it's fine because when we go to do it one day,
We get
they're just gonna yep, they're gonna fry us.
set no stop
See.
loss, go walk away, come back, all our accounts are gone.
No retest yet. We do have like that 1 minute gap to get tapped by yes, but I'm like not taking that as a gap SMT.
Yeah.
From here, if I was gonna long, I would be targeting like that next hourly gap at 902, and then the NWOG at like 931.
Okay, yeah.
That candle's actually not bad, but I can't. We have that big 2 minute down there.
There's internal SMT right here.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, we just look super strong.
I agree. Yes, that seemed to be stalling a bit though.
Hmm.
I'm still waiting. I was gonna jab along, but I didn't like it enough. So. You're gonna make me eat my words. Jeez. Yes, it's starting to pick it up.
Yeah. Wow.
Damn.
Wow.
Damn. That early gap's about to get tough.
A 1 minute gap was SMT really held.
Yeah, I did, and I don't know. I just can't. Like, I didn't expect
That's valid.
that to
That's,
hold because we started stalling weird. But
no, that's fine, bro.
honestly, with that 935 candle kind of flipped back green, like that would have been worth a slight jab.
Hmm.
Oh wait, because I did want to retrace. We have a 3 minute down there now. I'm just gonna mark out the whole 3.
3 minutes for this 5
Hey,
minutes.
Jeremy? There's no Jeremy there?
Oh yeah. See that? Where's he?
Wow. The indicator caught the bottom on the 32nd.
Who did?
And the indicator. And died.
No, they indicated.
Yeah.
Fair. This is gonna be a weird spot for me to try and long from if I do. So just need to retrace.
Yeah, I definitely want to see a retrace here. I just want to see a retrace.
Some sort.
Yeah.
You have that first presented down there.
Wow, ES tapped the first presented.
That
That was,
was
the
this.
gap.
Yeah, that was a gap SMT.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, shit.
Straight. I do like the end walk draw to 931, but I just need like a actual like retrace entry.
Yeah, no, I agree. But it's just nothing.
And it's like I would enter these like momentum candles higher just because like we're obviously strong, but it's not worth.
I just don't want to get caught in a retrace.
Greed. I'm pretty sure we have like literally zero news today.
Yeah, no, I don't think there's anything today. I didn't get a chance to do the weekly like outlook this week.
Oh yeah. Tapped another 15 minute. Not on this move up. I just wouldn't be bearish like after seeing what I just saw.
Alright,
Unless we just flip back down on the 5.
I just want to wait for a retrace, 5-minute gap tap, and then look for some sort of a continuation from there.
Yeah, ideally. I know Ale definitely took the open like move up.
Oh, for sure, yeah. No gap tap there.
No. It's like a slight internal SMT.
Yeah. Wow. Don't tell me that's gonna send us, bro.
That'd be sickening, huh?
I don't like that enough to take.
No. We're just like in a deep premium of this range.
Yeah. But watch, that's gonna send us.
I mean, look at ES, like, Jesus.
Yeah, it's gonna fucking send us, bro. Yeah, ES is wow.
Yeah.
YM completely flipped back up that 15-minute candle.
Holy.
It's fully bullish now.
Typical.
Holy shit! What a V.
But I mean, that works if we're just aligned all across.
Yeah. That's insane. I mean, that's got to be the manipulation leg then, right there.
Yeah, I mean, it took out it went all the way past like where London is for NQ and ES.
Yep. Still no gap tap.
There's no like proper reachers. Yeah, it's just super strong. And then NQ's just like stalling. Do something, NQ.
Wow, I can't believe YM. It's crazy.
Literally like every day, just some crazy directional move.
All right, come on, give us a 5-minute here.
Something. We'll make an SMT if we hit it as well.
Okay, yeah.
A minute. Yes, just opened up a new 5-minute. right there too.
Okay, yeah.
It's happening.
There's a 5-minute. Let's see if we get anything now. Now it's just gonna completely bleed through. Watch.
Dude, that'd be insane if you do that. Not gonna lie.
Let's see. We have equilibrium of this range that we just put in at 806, and that lines up with first presented as well. So we'll see what happens in here. Anyone take anything yet?
Nah, just listen to this. We just opened and ran up by that, and then can't even get like a solid retrace.
Yep.
Yeah, it's moving up.
Let's see. I hope we don't just consolidate for like an hour and a half now.
That's what I'm saying.
I might honestly just consolidate downwards.
Yeah, I mean, we just made like such a huge push up. Now it like has to rebound to some extent.
Mm-hmm. Let's see what 10 o'clock brings us.
Yeah. We end up in that 1 minute there.
No, I was watching that.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna come back, sweep out the lows, and then just continue to consolidate for an hour.
Wouldn't doubt it. This shit is.
Oh,
It is something else.
I love when I say something and the complete opposite happens right away.
Yeah. Holy, what the?
Here comes 931.
Yeah. We just hit that 1 hour gap at 9:02. Thank you.
Is that an AG type trade right there?
Like, yeah, like that 9:49 close. Yeah, probably I would say.
Yeah.
Even though it didn't inverse, like just because he came out of the 5 minute relatively strong, he would have taken that. Yeah.
Yeah. That looks clean, honestly. It's just something in me, like I can't take it unless it fully closes.
It's just like he definitely back tested a lot, so like he's seen it work out more than not. So like
Yeah.
you always take that jab and then accept the loss if it's a loss. But
Fair.
yeah, if you don't trade like continuation, I can definitely see how it's like odd to take that entry, especially if like you want that gap to flip right there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. That 931 would be like the next draw higher. Would be that end walk tap for this new week. And then I mean we're just gonna trend higher. Previous day high for NQ at what is that, like 995 or no 996. That's actually previous week high for NQ. Got it. This 1 minute gap right here.
Slaz, you take anything, bro?
No, I'm just sitting out right now.
Yeah.
Got a lot of news coming out this week, so
Yeah.
I kind of figure we might have
Yeah.
a trend today.
CPI tomorrow.
Slaz,
Yeah.
we're full porting, right?
We are full porting tomorrow.
We are full porting
Yes.
on our
Yeah, I've,
days, right?
Oh, of course.
All right, weird.
Come on.
I'll see you bright and early tomorrow.
Bro, I have to wake up at 5:30 a.m. This shit is so brutal.
Oh, that's crazy.
It's so ass, bro.
Fuck the West Coast.
Like the ass.
The only thing
Watching this 1 minute gap.
the only thing you guys got that I like is In-N-Out.
Yeah,
In-N-Out's
for
pretty
real.
good.
Yeah, I'm watching this 1 minute gap too. I want to see the lower one as a breakaway.
Yeah.
It's okay, a sharp reaction.
That actually. So far. Yes, they're definitely leading the move. Just much stronger.
Got a big SMT at the top.
Yeah, from like when he took all time highs out.
It actually feels like NQ's just kind of chasing that recovery though, because there was like a huge point differential.
Yeah.
That big run on ES. But I mean, if we flip this 4 hour, like this shit could just pump on NQ.
Yeah, we had like just filled it all the way at that like recent high. It was at like 4 hour getting fully filled in. Ideally, I mean, 10 a.m. would inverse it and then we'd go higher. If 10 a.m. doesn't close it, then it'd just be chop work.
Yeah.
I want to see if we can maybe hold this 5-minute open. Have 10 o'clock open.
Oops.
Tap into this 5-minute, and then expand higher.
Yeah, I could see that.
Let's see if this 5-minute opens up here though.
Yeah, that previous wick on the 5-minute definitely looks like interesting compared to ES at least.
Yeah, unless I see something really clean, I'm probably just gonna set out today.
It's not a bad idea, honestly.
Yeah, I agree.
I might be right behind you.
I was gonna take that. I think you took it too, DMP. That little 1 minute out of the 5 minute.
Yeah, that 949 candle.
Yeah, I was considering it, but I was hoping that gap would be a little bigger. It was
Yeah,
just
it was
pretty
just weird because
small.
that 5-minute gap like that we tapped was just huge. So like we could have just kept resweeping the lows. Was the only like problem I had.
Yeah, I mean we had like a small little SMT at the bottom that tapped into the 5 minute, and it was just we were so strong off open, and we haven't really tapped any draws yet. So I was like, I'm pretty sure previous day high is the draw.
Yeah. I mean, from here it's like you would assume NQ goes for the previous day high, but we're buying through like what's technically like a bearish range, so it's just like super odd today.
Yeah,
ES is definitely like the leader though. ES hasn't printed a single red candle on the 5-minute, which is interesting.
yeah.
A 1-minute close was solid there out of that 1-minute gap. SMT at these highs now though. See if we validate it.
I mean, to
I
be
want to see
fair,
the 4-hour
you like
close at 10.
there's literally an SMT on every time frame right now because ES was
Yeah.
like that pump made it just so far away from NQ.
Yeah, it was
Super
just the
correlated.
correlation was crazy. The lack of
Yeah.
correlation.
So like I'm more honestly looking at like internal SMTs now and stuff like that than anything higher than that. Cause like
Yeah,
if you go on anything like 5 minute or above, there's literally an SMT right now. So
yeah, it's valid. This looks like it's gonna tap its the N wall before NQ possibly here.
is it on
7,004.
fan one?
Yeah, it's a new N wall from this week. It's open. It's not like an actual gap, but it's like a gap between the opening prices. Last week's like closing price and then this week's opening price. I just want to see this 4-hour like flip at 10 a.m. If it doesn't flip, then
Yeah,
it's kind of
it's
like
literally has not had any price action traded into it yet. And we have the opening range gap
Yeah.
because it's like new week is the high is like inside fan one too.
see what happens here. It also looks like ES could close the 4-hour and NQ could fail to close, which would also be weird.
Oh, dude, there's so much uncorrelation right now.
Yeah,
This is weird.
I'm closing my thing. My fundeds. I'm not trading this.
that's valid.
Yeah, I might just hop on paper for a little bit.
That S&T at the top's holding for now.
Got those internal equal lows too.
I mean, honestly, I would like this 5-minute gap tap right at 10 o'clock to expand higher. But
That's what I'm saying. Like I might wait because I'm still technically in the times that I let myself trade. So
yeah,
if
me
there's
too.
like something clean, I'll just take it with like 2 micros. Call it after.
Alright, we
valid.
got 30 seconds left. Let's
Are you
see.
trading your top steps tomorrow, Chen?
Yeah. I'm full porting them on CPI.
Nice, bro. I'm low-key thinking about. Remember how I sent you that lucid thing?
Oh yes.
Yeah, I think I might cop one of those, and then but you have to like it's 2-day pass, so I might just do 1,500 on CPI and 1,500 on PPI, and then just pass it and have it ready for next CPI.
You could do that. Yeah. Is there any other accounts that are 1-day passes for them or no?
Nah, not for lucid, and I can't, bro. I can't get any top steps right now because there's like I gotta get like a new ID, and I can't like what's it called, KYC or whatever.
Yeah.
So I literally just have to do Lucid for now, and then next CPI or like in this month before the next CPI, I'm gonna cop probably 1 or 2 top steps too.
Okay, word, yeah.
But I was thinking I'll just start off with a Lucid.
No, that's fine. That's totally
I
valid.
like it.
I think I'm gonna
And I
do
already have an Alpha 50K that I'm gonna pass tomorrow too.
Word. I think I'm low-key gonna do mine on silver. Call me crazy.
Yep.
Really?
Honestly, it
How
might not
come?
even be bad. Because silver's been like
Yeah.
giving crazy moves.
Yep. The volatility
Really?
should be nuts on silver tomorrow.
Got that
You
5
think
minute
there'll be
time
like a
frame.
fat candle?
Hopefully, one can hope.
Yeah. I mean, I back tested the CPI candle on NQ, and last year there was only one candle below, like, I think it was like 75 points.
Oh wow.
And the lowest, it was literally like a 51 point candle on CPI. There was only one last year. So it was pretty much over like 90 every single time. I don't know about PPI though. Does that shit even give you like a big candle?
Not a crazy candle. Like, I would say 50 to 60 points, honestly.
Okay.
Like, I would not, honestly. I would just be careful with PPI.
Yeah. Well, I'll be careful with that one. I look, he might just use the CPI to make the first 1500 and then just do like a data wave play for the second 1500.
That's totally fair, yeah. I'm watching this 30-second. If we get it, I'm going to take it with 2 micros. Never mind.
Yeah, we'll see the spot.
I love when I start talking and it does the complete opposite.
No, that's actually insane.
Crazy.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, the draw is higher or like more near term, but I wish we got that 4 hour close
Dude,
because
it's just
ES and
gonna
NQ both didn't close it.
holy chop fest right now in 1 minute.
Yeah. It's at our 10 a.m. PO3.
Honestly, it might be.
I think it's just fuck if we just bought up so much, so we're just in a premium. Like we could just stay overall bullish, but like price won't only just go higher and higher without retraces or like cooling down.
Yeah.
One minute might flip. That internal like SMT at the high is still holding as well.
Mm-hmm.
At 951 high.
Alright, so the 5-minute held.
Yeah, just barely there.
I'm trying to look for a gap, but there's no gaps that we're even making on the way down.
Yeah, we're just grinding.
Yeah. I mean, like, we have this 15-second, but I'm not really trying to take it. I want a higher time
Yeah,
frame
it's
again.
It's just Friday that we didn't inverse the 4 hour
Mm-hmm.
on like ES or NQ.
If we close this 15-second, I'm going to take it.
Okay, the bigger one here.
Yeah.
That's it.
I want to see it close over 2888. Or 8888.
If we get volume again,
Let's see. Expecting this 5 minute to hold.
yeah, on ES it definitely looks like it wants to. And then on NQ we didn't flip it, so still valid.
Yep. Internal SMT right here at these lows. Let's see if we get it.
So slow now.
So ass. How much time we got left?
Yeah.
Minute.
Why I'm doing it while all this happens.
It's kind of correlated, honest. I mean, a little bit.
Yeah.
It's just dumping now.
Post 10 a.m. Chop of Doom.
Literally, bro. So bad. Alright, let's see.
Something.
I mean, we technically got it, but I don't like that close.
Yeah, so like
Dude, I don't want to force anything. I'm closing out my shit. Fuck this. I'm closing out my funded accounts. I'm not forcing.
we just ran up so much and then it's just like now it's gonna be hard for us to just keep volume higher. Just chop working.
Yeah, I'm not forcing this. This is not worth it.
Yeah, he just like took that internal low out. Just looks weird. I think he's really been sitting down here for 5 minutes. Or even longer at this point.
Glad I think I saved myself from an unnecessary. Maybe not.
It just looks like so garbage. Candles aren't gonna have volume anymore compared to like what the open was like.
Yep. And this range is just terrible now.
Yeah, we're just at the top of it.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna call it.
That
Did
look.
anyone take anything? Anyone?
I just took longs on evos.
Okay, nice. Oh, you just took them?
No, like I took longs on evos like earlier off of that first move.
Good shit.
But I'm just holding for stop loss, so if I get stopped out, then I'll be on more evos.
Okay. Did anyone else take anything? Anyone try any longs or anything? Hyman,
Yeah, I had a long
where did you take your long?
after the 30 sec close through 25 856. There, left.
Here.
No, a bit left. That yeah.
This one right here.
Oh yes, but you're in the micro.
Oh, so you took it on NQ.
Yeah.
This one right here.
Yes,
Beautiful. Good stuff, man.
thank you.
Did you you want to see something pretty sick?
The 30 sec long
Yeah, 30-second long.
before open.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dodgy took that.
Come
I saw.
remanipulate the low again, and then
Yeah.
look at this fair value gap it caught.
This is crazy. Two, not even two thick.
And then just completely straight up.
Yeah, crazy.
I don't even know what the next entry. Oh, it actually alerted this entry right here.
Oh damn. Yeah, because we hit a 5 minute, I think.
Yep.
And we had a sweep too.
It did alert it, but because we instantly reject.
Yeah, we closed. Yeah.
Yeah, it goes away. But this was a valid trade. That worked out. That's good shit, man. Good stuff.
Wait, what did it alert? Chill.
It alerted this one right here in pre-market. You watching?
Yeah.
It alerted this one. Right here.
What? Oh, 30-second. Okay.
Yeah.
I think what's his name took that.
Dodgy.
Dodgy.
Haji. Yeah, he took that.
And then it alerted this one right here. Did you see it? But it closes below the fair value gap, so it would be technically an invalid trade, but it doesn't come and take out the stop loss.
I was potentially gonna take a short on ES off that 3-minute and 5-minute gap, but it's never inverse. Because I want to just see like the 3-minute inverse and then fill the 5-minute unfilled, and then like go higher. But we never got it.
Yeah, I'm over this.
Did you take anything, John?
I took after I saw the 1 minute flip right here in pre-market, or like 9:29, I took a 2 micro long, but I got filled at like right here, and I just took it off at Asia high, but that's all I took
Nice.
today.
Better than nothing.
Yeah, made a nice 250, so I'm content for the day.
Yeah. Was it a evil play?
Yeah, it was evals, unfortunately. But I'll be back on fundeds before the end of this week.
Nice. After this move, I think this AM or PM gonna be sloppy, choppy, so
That's totally fair.
Now ES is the one that won't move up.
My friend that's like our age, he just got
Mm.
selected for jury duty for the first time.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever gotten a like letter for that.
I mean, I've never gotten a letter either, but like he's like the first one that like I've even seen that I know that's gotten jury duty.
Insane. Yeah, and then if you don't show up like without telling them or like anything, then you go to jail, which is actually insane.
Yeah, you get in trouble.
Well, it seems that we're going to do all of this movement to eventually reach the stop loss.
Yeah, this is just terrible, dude. The only direction we're going is right.
Literally.
It's crazy because like overnight we have like decent price action. Like we're moving throughout the night. Like there's no sharp trades or anything. But then
Yeah.
market opens, we instantly pump up. That just takes out all of like the movement for all of New York AM session, and then it's just chop from there on.
Yeah. How it's been for the past month. Like Asia just moves a lot more than it like usually does, and then London as well, and then like New York AM moves like Asia.
It might be time for me to hang up the cleats. This shit's washed. This is actually crazy.
Yeah, and I just wanted an entry up to like Asia, and like it was just impossible to get one. How small these candles are.
You're still holding, right?
Sadly.
Wow. Where's your TP at?
960, which is so fried.
Okay. Are you break even yet?
Nah.
Alright, I mean, we could definitely just keep, grinding higher for it.
Shit just needs to do something, even if it's gonna be a sharp move to my stop. Just make us some kind of move.
Yeah, this is this is bad.
How garbage could it be? ES is gonna get me fried because it wants to fall now.
Wow, this is just so garbage.
Actually, it's gonna take a little some wax or some shit. There's nothing for me to even do but just watch the shit anyway. It's literally every trade that I enter. I enter the shit and we start chopping out of its life.
This is crazy.
I don't buy the move, NQ. You're not teasing me. Oh. Here we go.
Come on.
Something. Oh shit.
There you go.
Well, let's see. That NWOG's at 931. About to go break even. Actually, I'm about to go break even now. NWOG got tapped. Oh yeah. It's about to speed run my break even after that.
Stop.
And we have S&T at these highs now too.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever, NQ. Literally whipped that NWOG though and then came down here. Don't do it, NQ. Fade the shorters.
Don't do it.
Send the shit to max highs.
Send this shit to all-time highs from here,
I
bro.
mean, realistically, I should be holding like previous week if I'm holding to 960 because previous week's 996, but it's like I'm not gonna bother.
No, that's fine. Just enough to pass on the evals. or however you have it set up.
It's like 2800. I fucked up the size.
Mm.
Well, I like originally entered like 2 contracts and then I scaled in more and put my like stop up to make up for it basically.
Oh yeah.
But it still wasn't enough size. Cause I basically sized off of like the opening range was and not like
What?
that current range when we came up to the top. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I know what you mean.
Right. Holy, what is what I had? About to get
Wow.
fried out the analog. He cooked. Honestly, like I just want to get this shit over with.
I'm forward
That's
testing
amazing.
this. I'm forward testing this 15 seconds CISD here. With the
The one we
SMT.
just made.
Yeah.
Valid.
I'm seeing if this holds.
That's like a fearing trade.
And this would be AMD, I think.
Yeah, from like our recent range.
I hate that I'm going against you, but I'm just forward testing it.
This one, I just want this shit to fill one of the fucking orders. I don't care which one at this point. The likelihood is my break even though.
Which are you on Top Steps?
Yeah,
Nice.
because even like other firms, even with their sales, like Top Step does still come out cheaper
Oh really?
somehow. Yeah,
Wow.
'cause, like Tradeify is like their 150Ks are like 2 something to get
Mm.
without activation. On Top Step, like 189, 190,
Oh okay.
and like Tradeify, that's like after the discount, like 30 to 40% off.
Yeah. Wow.
So I guess that's why Top Step doesn't have to do sales, because like I guess compared to other firms, they're always on sale.
I really want to give Apex a good shot.
Honestly, yeah, I mean, if we can just get like some clean directional price action, like kind of how summer was, like that'd be free.
I want to wait for us to have some nice expansion moves on the higher time frame.
That's
And
fair.
then I'm definitely, I'm doing it, bro.
The other thing is like if they have a sale like currently right now, like you could always try and pass them for CPI and then just hold on to them until you want to trade them.
See, I could do that, right?
Because if they have lifetime activation fee
Uh-huh.
with the discount, then you can just sit on them as long as you want.
Okay, maybe I look to do something like that. I gotta be a little careful because of I'm not doing the right thing and I'm starting to dip a little bit into the tax money, so I need to be a little careful.
Yeah, I mean that's valid.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure like even 10 accounts all in on Apex with the sales, like pretty sure like just the eval cost is like $200, and then like all 20 would be like 4.
That's not bad, honestly. That's still
Yeah,
20
your biggest cost
60.
comes if you pass. Yeah,
Yeah. That's how they get you. It's if you pass. Yeah.
right. Yeah,
Honestly, it wouldn't be a bad idea to just buy 10 tonight, pass them tomorrow, and then just pay the activation fee and just sit on them.
yeah. Because I mean, like you don't have to trade them at all. I don't think they have like a rule for like inactivity at all.
That's
Not that I know, of, but you would just have to check. But even if they do, it's like just do a flip.
flip a micro. Yeah, whatever. That's fine.
Yeah. Oh, I'm still in this fucking garbage, man.
I know this is bad, dude. This is crazy bad.
Like, holy, what are we doing, NQ? Like the original entry's up 40 something points, but then more averaged in, it's more so like, what, let's see. Well, I guess I don't know now because of that. It's like 38 points. Right.
Holy shit. Is your break even near?
I just closed that shit before.
That's fine. All right, you want to call it here?
Yeah, we can. I'm done.
Yeah. All right. All right, fellas. We'll see you tomorrow, bright and early, for our favorite day of the month.
CPI. Yep.
All right.
All right, fellas.
All right, boys.
Peace out.
Peace.
Later.
Yo.
Yep.
All right.
I get so many notifications. I don't know where they come from. Discord's got to start popping them up so I know where it's coming from. It's like I just hear them, but I don't see them.
You want to see the office space that we got?
Yeah, you guys got it down here.
Yeah, it's in Melbourne.
All right.
It's a corner office. It's actually pretty dope. Corner
Office.
I don't even know what that is. Building.
So that's actually sick. And you could always like alter it and design it how you want on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually fire.
That apparently like we just need to furnish it however we want and we have it.
Yeah, I guess you just want to be able to do things like painting and stuff, but you can do like furniture and all that. That's like honestly a fire space as it is, really.
I'm excited.
That's sick. Taking office. We're actually like dumping.
At 15-second held.
Yeah.
All right. So let's bang out like 2 videos and then we could chill for the day.
Yeah, it's cool.
I'm just gonna check the portfolio and then let's grind real quick.
Yeah.
All right. So let me pull up the notes. So intro. Okay, so what do we want to talk about kind of for the intro?
That's the thing. It's definitely a longer video because Dodgers is like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So I was kind of curious to see like what all did he cover for 15 minutes in the intro.
You want to pull up my screen?
Yeah, I
and
can.
then we can kind of like let me stop recording